Hello, my name is John and this is my first vlog. So today I'm going to be talking about recycling water. So the water cycle on Earth is a closed cycle. That means the amount of water we have now is the same now and in the future. So water covers 71% of the Earth's surface, but less than 3.5% of water on Earth is fresh water, which most of it is trapped in glaciers and water vapor. 69% of fresh water is trapped in the form of ice. 50% of it is found on the ground. Only 1% of it is found in lakes and rivers. So we use water for bathing, washing, cooking, drinking, agriculture and irrigation. Without water, we couldn't carry out simple everyday tasks or even produce food. Since 95.6% of water on Earth is salt water, turning salt water to fresh water would be the perfect solution to end Earth's ever-growing need for fresh water as the global population increases. The process of getting fresh water from salt water from our oceans is called desalination. The usual process involves heating seawater until the water evaporates. Then the water condenses into fresh water. This process is also the best way to totally remove contaminants from unsafe and dirty sources of water, as only water evaporates, leaving the said contaminants behind. So Saudi Arabia is the world's largest producer of desalinated water. MSF plant in Jubail produces 950,000 cubic meters of fresh water a day and supplies Riyadh with desalinated water. That is enough water to fill almost about 380 Olympic-sized swimming pools. So with water becoming a very hot commodity, especially in drought-prone regions, an obvious solution is to take the salt out of seawater. Purification of water through desalination plants may sound like the perfect solution to this problem, but there's a downside. This process takes a lot of energy. It would take 764,000 joules of energy to boil 1 liter of water at room temperature. That would be enough energy to light up a 24-watt bulb for 3.5 hours. So imagine how much energy would it take to boil hundreds and thousands of tons of seawater. So in my opinion, the best solution is to look up, to the sun exactly. Solar power is reliable and a free source of energy. We could build a solar farm that harnesses the light and heat from sunlight to power desalination plants. Such plants will require a whole field of mirrors, which will redirect and reflect sunlight to a centralized water tower. Then the sunlight and heat focused on the water tower would boil the water, and the water vapor would condense into fresh water. This type of desalination plant would take a lot of real estate though. The perfect location of these desalination plants would be in the Sahara Desert. Countries such as Egypt, Libya and Tunisia, which are situated along the Mediterranean Sea, receive an average of 4,000 hours of sunlight annually, thus making them the optimal location for solar-powered desalination plants. All in all, water is a vital natural resource to every living organism on Earth. Hence the saying, where there is water, there is life. Therefore, it's important for us to use water wisely, conserve it, and to find alternative and efficient methods to produce water. Thanks for watching.